Welcome friends. Now we are ready to discuss further about HTML. In this video tutorial, we will learn about headings, paragraphs, breakline and horizontal rule. So let's discuss about various headings. There are mainly 6 types of heading tags. H1 is the most highest level heading. So if you write text in H1 tag, then it will be larger than other H1 tags. And H6 is the smallest level of head tag. So the text in H6 is very smaller than the H1 tag. Heading element H1 through H6 generally used for major division of document. So now let's see how to write H1 tag and what is the effect of H1 to H6 tag. We generally called HX tag. So let's define first structure of the HTML document, and we have to write all these tag in body tag. So first write structure of the HTML. We are starting now body tag, and we also completing body tag and HTML tag. Now we are ready to save this document. So save this document at any place where you want to save. We are saving in our folder chapter 3.html. So now we want to give the first heading using h1 tag. So we write h1 first, h1 heading, and we are completing h1 tag. Similarly, we will directly see h4. You can also use here h2, h3, h4. We are directly jumping over to h4. Last h6 tag. Save it, and now let's run. We can see first h1 tag have highest size and h4 have less than h1, and h6 which is the smallest size and used to write some content in label manner. So this is about h1 tags. Now let's quickly discuss the paragraph. Paragraphs allow you to add a text in document in such a way that it automatically adjusts the end of line. Let's write paragraph using p tag. This is the tutorial of paragraphs, and we are ending p tag. We can see we have created paragraphs. When this paragraph comes over here, then it will automatically adjust to the new line. So this is the purpose of paragraph. Now what can you do when you want to write text on new line? So for that purpose br tag is used. Br means break line. So if I want to add a new line between these two words, then I can add br. Paragraphs will be displayed on new line and it is shifted to new line. This is the purpose of br tag. One more tag which is horizontal rule means hr. hr is used to write the line. If I want to display a horizontal line, then hr tag is used. We don't have to complete the hr tag. We don't have to complete also br tag. So we are writing directly hr. Let's run and see the effect. You can see of paragraphs is written on new line and one line is created. We can also adjust the width of line. So if I want to give width of line 50%, then I can do this by this attribute width. You can see width is decreased by 50%. So this is all about headings, paragraphs, breaklines and horizontal rule. you can set various layout using these elements. So this is end of our tutorial. Thank you.